Sunday is Father's Day, and while most dads would appreciate maybe a nice breakfast, a new tie, a new pair of socks even, one local dad is celebrating something much more valuable than that, time.
Yeah, the Wilsonville father of two got the gift of time because of a life-saving treatment that stopped his cancer in its tracks. Fox 4's Marilyn Deutsch has his story in your Health Watch report this morning.
Every moment in Kyle Stanfield's life is brought to him now by advances in modern cancer treatment. 5 years ago, Kyle was diagnosed with a rare cancer called thymoma. He was 32. His oldest son was 2, the other just 2 months.
And I remember one of my main goals was for them to remember me. I did not want to be remembered by stories or in photos. I wanted them to feel me, touch me, know me, hear my voice, right?
Thymoma is cancer of the thymus gland, which is in your chest. In Kyle's chest, that mass was the size of a grapefruit.
They cut me open left to right.
But in the ICU, his organs began to fail.
I just remember curling up in a little ball on a waiting room chair by myself and crying because I was like, what is happening?
Kyle survived, but 6 months later, the cancer was back, this time in his spine. Later, it would show up again in his chest, then his lung. There was more surgery, more radiation, more chemotherapy. This scenario repeated itself a total of 5 times. The 5th time, Kyle enrolled in an immunotherapy clinical trial at Providence. He actually had to quit the trial after a few months because he developed dangerous side effects. Despite that setback, the drug trial seems to have worked. 2 years later, his doctor, Providence oncologist Rachel Sanborn, sees only scarring on his scans, no tumors.
At this point, so far, his cancer has remained under control and has not progressed again.
One day, the clinical trial Kyle was part of may lead to a breakthrough in cancer treatment. We don't know, but we do know it's given Kyle the gift of time.
That can't be measured by anything on a scan, and that can't be measured by anything on a blood test, but it can be measured in impact in the heart and impact in the lives of the children that he's raising.
Kyle says cancer rents space in his mind. It's changed him. But every day, not just Father's Day, he knows how lucky he is to be Kelly's husband and Grant and Chase's dad.
In some ways, I feel like I'm playing with house money. I've gotten 5 years of my life. I get to watch my kids turn from 2 years old to 7. I get to watch my 2-month-old turn to 5.
Marilyn Deutsch, Good Day, Oregon.
If you'd like more information on clinical trials and immunotherapy, go to the Providence page, kptv.com.